So I love this voltage detector and take it everywhere with me. So it's super easy to use. You just turn it on with the power button, click it once to make it more sensitive, click it once again, you'll see that light turns off, so it's normal. I'll show you how it works over here. So if you're curious if there's power, you just push it to whatever you think there might be power on. It's not sensing power on those two cables. If you're worried about sensitivity, you could go like this. As you see, there's no power, so now let's try it on outlet. As you can see, we'll just go over here where we know there's power running to it on this outlet. So there's power running to this cable here. See how it's flashing? I'm not even touching the wire, so you know there's power. I could turn it back to normal mode, and then it won't turn on until I touch something that's actually running a lot of juice. So like if I go in here, see, now it senses it. Come away, go in here, senses it. If I go to sensitive mode again, I just get close and then it tells me. So if you want it to be a little more accurate, you just turn this off and then you can figure out what exactly is hot.